iphuzu lesibili engifuna ukuconclude ngalo futhi elibalulekile. Abanye abantu futhi bagcina sebestrugglisha ukuhonorisha uNkulunkulu. Why? Because they glorify themselves instead of honoring their calling.
The promotion and so forth.
Exactly. Ugcina ungabe usakwazi ukuminister kule calling uNkulunkulu akubeke kuyo ngobani uzibona usumkhulu kakhulu. I've done close to 30 radio station ama-interviews kuma different radio stations, you know. Lana mfethu sibuka o-SABC, sibuka even ama-radio stations from outside South Africa. I have done ama-interviews with those radio stations. But every time kuba khona i-request ukuthi ngiyokhuluma kuma-community radio stations, angibe nakho ukubukela phansi ukuthi ayingeke labantu bafuna isikhathi sami ngeke ngikwazi ukuyokhuluma kuma-radios. Sometimes vuma mfethu with all due respect ufika kuma-radio stations amanye ungawazi, you know, you're not even sure how many listeners are there.
Yes.
But you always go there and you give your A game, because i-ministry and the honor ayibuka ukuthi bangakanani abantu ozobukhuluma nabo, but ibuka ukuthi lo muntu oyedwa ozobelalele. Kubalulekile ukuthi ukhuluma ungazothi kulalela ama-thousands ngoba one soul is important. So when God has entrusted you with the calling, make sure ukuthi awuziboni umkhulu ngaphe kwe calling. Ugcina usuthi angeke ngize ngizokhuluma lapho uma ukuthi aninayo inamba ethile yabantu. Yes.